Good morning everyone, Mike Burke here with InsideRealEstatePhotography.com. My last vlog seemed to go over pretty well with you guys, so here I am doing another one. This is vlog episode 2. Alright, so I'm at the 7-Eleven around the corner from my house. I'm getting some supplies for the day, getting ready to start my day here. Not coffee, believe it or not, I'm not a coffee drinker. But I have 5 shoots today, 5 different properties, so, you know, fairly standard but busy day. We're in the height of the spring market here, so you know, things have been very busy for me. So it's been tough to juggle all this stuff with the videos for YouTube and everything, but I'm doing the best that I can. It's a much nicer day than the last time I did this vlog. It was foggy last time. We got a nice sunny day today, so you know, should be better hopefully. So all right, let's get to it. Alright, so I'm here at the first shoot. I'm in Atlantic Highlands, New Jersey. It's sort of a high up town on the coast, so there's really awesome views here. You can see the New York City skyline in the distance and stuff like that, so hence we're going to do a drone shoot here as well as the photos, so that's great. I am running a little bit behind, hopefully they're not too mad at me. But tip, I always give like an arrival window of like a half an hour, so you know, in case things get behind at one shoot, you know, it gives me some buffer zone, you know, to get to the next shoot. But this is the first shoot of the day, so they're probably expecting me to be here on time, but you know, I'm 15 minutes later, so it just took me a little longer to get here than I thought. Anywho, I'm gonna get to it and I'll try to get some footage of the shoot. The house looks kind of interesting. I don't know, it might be cool inside, I don't know, let's see. All right, so the photos are finished for this first home. That was a pretty cool house. It was built in like the 1800s, so it was pretty interesting. So, you know, a little something out of the ordinary, which is nice once in a while, as you saw probably from the footage. So now I'm gonna do the drone shots. It did get cloudy out. It seems there's a trend going on every time I do one of these vlogs that I'm battling with the weather for whatever reason. It was supposed to be a clear day today. So, you know, it is what it is. We're still going ahead with it, but you know, it's kind of a bummer, but we'll see how it looks. All right, so I just got to my next shoot. This place is vacant and professionally staged, which was a pleasant surprise. The agent didn't even tell me that, so you know, it was a nice surprise when I got here. These are always the best situations. I'm always happy to walk into a situation like this. Everything's perfect and ready to go. I don't have to worry about moving any of people's crap around or anything like that. So I did bring my monitor, external monitor as well, so I can record what I'm seeing through my lens, so I can show you some of the shots that I'm getting. I'm not gonna do that here at this house, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm just going to provide you with a little commentary on these shots as they're happening. I'm not going to take you through the whole shoot, just a few of the shots that I did. This is the typical shot here of the living room. I'm just getting my camera composed here and level. That's the finished edited image for that shot. Here's a different kind of shot. It's a detail shot I'm doing here. I got the foreground element there. I'm trying to get some depth going on here. You'll notice my aperture is at f2.8, so I can blur that object out. And I have my focus set on flexible spot, as you'll see that in the middle there. That way I can control where my camera's focusing. I want to focus on the sink area there and blur out the foreground. So that's that finished edited image. So it's something a little different. When houses are staged, I like to throw those kind of shots in. It makes it easy when they're staging. Don't forget to put your camera back on f8 and also your focus area back to wide. I always forget to do that sometimes, and I take a few shots at f2.8 and then I realize I'd have to go back and do it again. So here's a bathroom, typical bathroom shot. Just get my camera composed here in the right spot. Again, leveling. It's a finished edited image for that shot. Again here, I wanted to get a detail shot of the floor. A lot of times when there's a renovation like this, you get asked to do these kind of detail shots, they always appreciate them because, you know, the house is brand new, you know, completely renovated, and it's easy to get the detail shots in these scenarios. So I'm trying to use the cabinets as like some depth here, lead your eye down. Again, I'm putting my aperture on f2.8 so I can blur the cabinets out sort of, and I'm gonna use my focus point on the floor so the camera focuses only on the floor and kind of blurs the cabinets out. Again, this is the advantage of the G Master lens being f2.8. You can get some depth of field shots, some detail shots. That's why I prefer this lens. It's a definite advantage for that, and that's the finished edited image for that one. All right, so I just finished all my interior shots here. It went super fast. I probably did it in like 25 minutes, I don't know. When it's staged and ready to go like this, it's super easy. This house is not big either. It's a ranch, it's only 1 level, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So yeah, super fast, super easy. I'm not even gonna bother showing you the exterior photos for this because as they renovated in here, it looks great. The outside still looks like, you know what? I don't know why they didn't do more before they had me come take pictures, but hey, that's not on me. Since I'm in a vacant house, I'm gonna take advantage of this time to use the bathroom real quick before I leave. If you're a real estate photographer, then you know probably if you're in a vacant house, always do a test flush before you use the bathroom in a vacant house. You never know, the plumbing might not be working. Then I'm gonna head out of here. I have another shoot soon in about 25 minutes. It's nearby though. I'm hoping I can grab lunch somewhere on the way. I don't know, this might be a tight squeeze. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time, but trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat today. I don't know, we'll see. All right, so I just got to my next shoot. I didn't have time to stop for lunch, which is a bummer because I'm starving, but it's all good. I'm gonna get through this shoot and hopefully I'll have time after this to eat. The next shoot I have is just like an exterior and drone shoot, so I should have time, so should be all good. So I'm gonna get into this one. It's another ranch, but it's a bigger house, maybe a basement and stuff. So it may take a little time, but I'll try to get some clips while I'm in there, so let's go do it. Cloudy, but the sun is coming through, so kind of good light actually. A little sky replacement. I'll fix it up. All right, third shoot of the day now completed. I didn't get too many clips in there. It was kind of just, you know, it was a nice house, whatever. It was just nothing too exciting going on there, so you know, it was kind of boring. But you know, everyone was well prepared, went well, went fast. Pretty fast, no problems, so no complaints from me. Pretty standard shoot or whatever. I got about 45 minutes to my next shoot, so I'm finally gonna grab lunch. There's an awesome deli nearby. I'm gonna hit that up now. All right, so I ate my lunch, had a nice little break. It's good, I got some food in me. I'm feeling recharged now. I have an exterior shoot now coming up along with drone video and still photos for this property. Interior photos are being shot at another time, so I don't have to worry about that today. And then after that, I just have a regular photo shoot again. So that's the rest of my day here. So I'm gonna get to it. So I just pulled up to the house. That's the house over there. There's all these work trucks out front. And then the lady inside said, I'm not supposed to be here shooting today. So I don't know. I just called the real estate agent and he's just almost here. So I'm gonna see how this goes. I don't know. It's not gonna be too good trying to shoot drone and everything with all these trucks out here, so we'll see what happens, I guess.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Restricted zone reached.
All right, so the realtor came. We got the lady inside straightened out. She was confused. She didn't know there was a shoot going on today for some reason. I don't know. We got the trucks moved out of the way, so I was able to do the shoot and the drone shoot. I was afraid that wasn't going to happen there for a minute, but we made it happen. The sun came out. It actually looked pretty good. So that's good. I got one more shoot coming up. I got a little bit of time to kill before then, so I'm gonna figure out what to do to kill some time. Stop that good old quick check. Got a water, bathroom break. Got some more time to kill. I'm gonna go through my QuickBooks self-employed app, mark my trips down for my miles. That's such a great app, by the way. It tracks your miles, so it automatically deducts them from your taxes and all that. It keeps track of your income and expenses. I highly recommend looking at that app if you're a real estate photographer looking for something like that. It's phenomenal. I have a link down in the description. Also, I'm going to answer some YouTube comments, check my email, that sort of thing. A lot of times I'll bring my laptop with me as well, so I can do some editing if I have, you know, some time in between shoots like this. I don't have that much time. I think I have like maybe 20 minutes to kill. So yeah, I'm gonna do those things and then head to my last shoot for the day. All right, just arrived at my 5th and final appointment for today. It's a condo. It's not too big, so shouldn't take too long as long as it's not like a mess or anything like that. So let's hope that's not the case, especially the last shoot of the day. That's definitely not what you want to walk into. All right, so the last shoot of the day is now done. It was a small, easy condo. It was clean, ready to go, so it was fast and easy. I did it in about 40 minutes or so. So yeah, it was quick. And it's now 5:45, and so that concludes a full day of shooting for me. I'm gonna head home now. I'm like 15-20 minutes from home. I'm gonna have some dinner, do some editing tonight, you know, the usual routine. The next time I do one of these vlogs, I'll try to do it on a day where I have some different kinds of shoots going on, maybe some video shoots next time. A day that I do video shoots, I haven't included that in the vlog yet. I'll try to keep these vlogs, you know, fresh, interesting, something new every time, hopefully. You know, and I hope you guys enjoy these. If you do, please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about these videos. You know, if you're a real estate photographer that's just starting out or looking to get into real estate photography, hopefully these videos have value to you, because it sheds some light on what a typical day in the life of a real estate photographer is like. You know, if you're an established real estate photographer, maybe you can relate to my day as a real estate photographer. I'm sure you can. So yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy these. I hope you find value in them. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, you know, all that good stuff. I really appreciate all you guys' support and making this channel grow. It's been an awesome ride so far, and I'm planning on keeping this going. So I hope, you know, you guys are enjoying all these videos. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys soon in another one.